Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 112. Today we're still in Goldfield. This is part 2, Decline, Fire, and the Ghosts That Remain. Every boomtown has its breaking point, and for Goldfield it came sooner than anyone expected. By 1910, the rich ore veins had begun to dry out. Investors pulled out, miners left, and one by one the mills went silent. Then came disaster. In 1913, a massive fire tore through the heart of Goldfield, destroying more than half the town. Most wooden structures were lost, leaving only the brick and stone survivors, the same ones that still stand today, weathered but defiant. The Goldfield Hotel became a symbol of both the town's grandeur and its haunting silence. Closed not long after the fire, it had stood empty for decades, drawing ghost hunters and history lovers alike. Locals still tell stories of footsteps in the hallways and lights that flicker when no one's inside. Goldfield never completely died, though. Through the Great Depression, a few stubborn residents stayed behind, scraping out a living from the remaining ore and serving travelers along Highway 95. The mine still produced small yields through the mid-century, but nothing like the golden years. In the decades that followed, nature began to reclaim what the boom had left behind. The desert winds pushed sand through the old storefronts, sagebush grew where sidewalks once were, and yet Goldfield endured. Partly a ghost town, partly a living community of artists, wanderers, and historians keeping its story alive. Today it's a living museum of the early 1900s. The Esmeralda County Courthouse still handles cases. The historic Goldfield High School is being restored, and as you walk the streets you can almost hear the echoes of a time where fortunes were made and lost in a single night.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.